In this video, we'll take a look at how to set up your system to use the virtual classroom software. In order to use the virtual classroom, you will need to test your system beforehand. It's quite important that you complete this step, as it will tell you whether your broadband connection is strong enough to run Adobe Connect, and will also prompt you to install the necessary software to do so. We recommend that you use the Google Chrome web browser when installing this software, particularly if you're using an Apple Mac, as it is far more stable than Safari. So, open up Google Chrome and navigate to the ICHAS Learning Management System, and then go to the Introduction to the Learning Management System module. Look for the Adobe Connect toggle in the Intro to the LMS module, and click on the toggle to open it. And then click on the Meeting Test and Add-in Installation URL highlighted on screen. This will open the Adobe Connect Meeting Test page in a new page, as you can see on screen at the moment. Once this new page is opened, the first thing you should do is click on Run Diagnostic. This tests your internet speed and will let you know, broadly speaking, whether or not your current speed is sufficient to run Adobe Connect. You should note, however, that it is possible that your speed is variable depending on whether you are using Wi-Fi to connect and how far you are from your Wi-Fi router. Next, you should click on Install Adobe Connect. This will download a small file that allows Adobe Connect to run more efficiently on your system. If you're using Google Chrome as recommended, you'll be able to access the installation file in the bottom left of your browser. If you're using a different browser, then you'll have to find where the file has been downloaded to. Click on the installation file to run it. A new dialog box, similar to the one currently on screen, will appear. Click on the Install button to begin installation. If it asks for any additional permissions or privileges to run, please grant them. When installation is complete, you'll see a success message like the one currently on screen, and you can click on Exit to finish the process. After this, you'll have successfully installed the Adobe Connect add-in, and you can begin using the virtual classroom.